Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. Yes, they are open. I'm loving it. Okay, it looks like I hit this area right here and it seems like everything in this section is on clearance. So let's take a look. So you have these birch logs. Guys, even if it was decor, this is gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Right there, $15. Then this, I think it's a wine rack. This was reduced to what? $5? Yes, the wine rack is $5, guys. What a buy. Okay, this parchment paper was open, but it's $1. Then you have beeswax food wrap, $5. And there's like a fabric cutting board that's for wood. I don't know. What is this? Glassworks. That's out of the box. So that one here, this set of stemless wine glasses, $3.50. Then this one here, set of 4 highball glasses, $5. Okay, so these scrapers here are $2 reduced. Then you have a Barbie. This is reduced to $1, guys. Then you have this paring knife. That's reduced to $2. All the paring knives are $2. So here's another apple. So wooden apple. That's really pretty. That's reduced to $3. Then this grater is reduced to $2. Then these little serving spoons are kind of nice. They look like silver. Handmade in India. These are reduced to $2, guys. Then they have like a serving set over here. Yeah, I think so. And this was reduced to $3. That's a great buy. Then you have these. These are reduced to $2. And they're glass. BYU. This is 50 cents, guys. Then over here, let's see this paper towel holder. I don't know. Doesn't have a price. And then you have this tumbler here. I don't see the top to it, guys. What is this here? This is like a dispenser. $3. So, grateful, thankful, blessed. I don't know, I guess it's like a hot plate. And here's this tray here with the cactus. $3. That's not bad, guys. But that's 10. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? That's $12. So then you have these wooden, they look like little mini cutting boards. So it comes in a set of 4, and that was reduced to $3. Then you have a set of cutting boards here. I see $3. Then you have some more up there I can't reach. Seems to be a real issue lately. Okay, they're putting everything up so high. This basket right here is really pretty. This is $8. And then they put like this painting of this cat. That's so cute. French art is $6, and there's another cat one over there for $7. Okay, let's see. So then you have these canisters right here with the little, is that a cow? I think those are $5. Wow, you had the money? Now is the time to go Christmas shopping, guys. So here's, look at this. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so she was in this section. She's $3. So I think this is the little clearance section. And then you have a dog little jacket. I don't see the tag though. And some tutus over here. And that is $2. So then you have these stuffed animals. Oh, they are so cute, guys. Look at this lamb. Okay, so the lamb is $3. And then you have this one here. I think this one you squeeze and makes noise. And here's another one here for $5. So a lot of the dog toys went on clearance. This is $1 for this cat calendar. Isn't that cute? Okay, so then here you have $5 for this tray. Then you have this mat. This is $6 for this mat. Oh, look, that's Ellen DeGeneres, set of 2 drying dish mats. I didn't even know she had a line for that. So, okay, so then you have this tumbler. $5. So some gloves, and let's see what else they have. So you got some more dish towels down here. This one's called the Good Cook, and there's 4 in the pack for $5. That's not bad. This is great quality. Okay, so then you have $4 for these, and you get 4 towels. $4, that's $1 a towel, and they're made in Turkey. Great quality. So then you have this bowl that says eat. That's reduced to 70 cents, guys. And then you have this up here. What is that, a vase? A Candleholder? A vase. $3.50, okay. So you have some more stuff over here. Let's see. I think these towels, kitchen towels, are a good buy. Then you have some more kitchen towels here. This is made by Paramount, and that's $5. Let's see. Collapsible bin. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? That's unusual. I don't want to pick that up because it's ceramic. It's so big. Okay, look at this little tiny pin. Isn't that adorable, guys? That is so cute. $7. So here's some cloth napkins. So it was reduced to $5, and you get, I think you get 5. That's a good buy. Candleholder here is $5. These I can't pick up because they're too high. Look at that orchid. Let me see if I can get a price on that orchid. That's reduced down to $11, guys. And then look at this tin bucket. Isn't that beautiful? $11. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to check out some of their clearance, and I'll see you in the next video.